get by on the outside on there. Now back really, probably all kinds of speed through that. It's really not making another mistake. 26-1, 22-22. These guys are exact the same. Going to a double track now to a W. Double heel top. There's jumping it. Wheeler and Ferrari in time by not jumping it. Now Ferrari nice inside move down straight away. Inside, now makes a mistake. Getting it a little bit into there. Looks like through the jump. Something happened there. Now there and Wheeler. And trying to close that door with 25-4 for Wheeler, 28-3 for Ferrari. Then we got Lockett in a bit. The dad, big half.
7 minutes left.
That cost and Jeff, you're running work. Make that that's how it's done, guys. So it is Associated Versal there versus Wheeler. Vandals coming on straight lane. They have a little bit more motor down that straight lane. Right side double front shoot for your top two. 25-3, 25-3. Exact last time Friday, your fast lap on track. 24-8 done on lap number 8. That was only 1 lap ago. So Friday, the fast guy on two once again. We got 4 down, 6 to go. 4 down, 6 to go. That is our battle Wheeler. Have a little bit more speed coming off that really. 25-5 for there. 25-3 for Wheeler. 25-1 for Ferrari. Something happened to there. Now Wheeler get by. So now it's there in a losi family. With Wheeler earlier, there second, and Ferrari third. Jeff third place on finally. Get up, please, in the room. Ferrari getting a fight. No mark, no foul. Wheeler and Taylor battle. 25-7, 25-2. Ready, lock in, see how much he is back. He is 7 seconds back on your leader. And then we got circle it, dad, that's top, and now your top three all on the same straightaway there. Battle is Ferrari keeps not wanting it today. 25-7 for Wheeler, 26-1 for Taylor, and 25-3 for Ferrari. These three are battling 5 down, 5 to go, 5 down, 5 to go. They're all over Wheeler's ridge, trying to make moves, nice leadership, let's go. 25-4, 25-2, 24-9 for Ferrari, so Ferrari once again fast on the track, on a vision. These guys have been battling all night now. Wheeler does donkey flip. So now it's going to be big there. Mike Ferrari made a mistake. But they're going to be out to about a second lead. Make that big 2 seconds now on Ferrari and about 5 on Wheeler. 4 on Wheeler. 24-9 is there. 25-5 for Ferrari. 23 for Wheeler. Separated by 3 seconds to your top 3. Now Ferrari makes a mistake. Ferrari. Now let's go about this there. Get it about to straight away lead now. Get come by 25-2 with 3 to go. 24-6 for Chris Wheeler and 26-6 for Ferrari. Now Wheeler fast lap on the track and the man on the mission. Your top 3 all have 24 second laps, so only 24 on the track. Now Ferrari again by Wheeler make a mistake. Outside on, come on early, guys. There's Wheeler's factory team associated. 2 more factory drivers. Your top 3 all factory drivers. 24-7 for Ferrari, 25-2 there, and 27-7 for Wheeler. So Ferrari now fast car on the track once again. Ferrari has to keep trying to keep pushing it. He's got 3 minutes to go. We are 7 down, 3 to go. 7 down, 3 to go. 3 long minutes left in this A main event. SRS going out there next. 7, 24-8, 24-3 for Wheeler. Here's 2 losi come out with 24 that time by. They're on cruise control. Friar and Wheeler on clutch control. With 2:45 to go, 2:45 to go, lock in and commit. That is your bound for the point to get them room. 24-4 for Friar, are you kidding me? Now Friar gaining all kinds of time on there. He's all raring now, going through the W. Losi versus Losi. The white, yellow, orange, and blue. White wheels are there. The blue, green, and yellow wheels for Ferrari. 24-7, 24-8. Your 2 leaders flying around this track. And we'll come back 25-1. He's 4 seconds back on your leaders. Thank you for coming. Ferrari trying to time inside. No dice, not getting through. And it's back. And the W, and they're going to say, now Wheeler going to get back there. So just like that, there from first and third. With 150 to go, 150 to go, guys. 26-0, 25-4, 29-8. Wheeler and they're getting together, so now it's going to get Ferrari all kinds of breathing room. Ferrari going to try to walk away with this one. They're still battling there, getting by now. Wheeler finishing by. They're trying to break the car now. With 110 to go, guys. 124-4 for Friar. Ferrari not letting up one bit at all. He is 6 seconds off on your second and third place battle. Nine down, 1 to go, guys. 9 down, 1 to go. Here comes the third leader. 25-8. Comes there in that number 2 position. 24-6. And we'll come back 27-0. 45 seconds to complete running orders. Mike Fry, Jake Thayer, Chris Wheeler, Terrence Smith, Randy Ross, top 5. Then we got the dad, Chester Cox, and Heck. And Jeff looks like he kind of broke down out there too. So now Ferrari, all kinds of room come by the 24-2 new fast lap on the track. Ferrari all over it. Doing what we got there. He is on a mission. Jonathan Foss showing he is now 6 seconds up on second place there. 6 seconds to go. 5 seconds now, guys. Wheeler might make 5 for 1 more if he does. So you guys will be done.
Car 5 is done.
Friar's going to make it back to this last lap. He is on
Car 4 is done.
24-3 that time by Friar.
Car 4 is done.
Ray Locker done. The dad done.
Car 7 is done.
Nick Hess, you're done.
Car 6 is done.
White Friar done. The Trump